the biggest thing for beginning drivers, you don't really look where you're going until you see where you're going, but it's a look like that door's open up, right? Okay, I already threw some smoke out there. Then I'm gonna pause for a second. I see the little young couple over there. They watching my video right now. Okay, I'm gonna go down the next aisle. So I see the dangers, but now I'm going down this aisle. So I'm gonna turn on my left turn signal. I wanna be extra because I need people to see me. And then I'm looking for shadows. I'm going down the middle. You can't be veering to the right and hit cars. You can't be overturning and veering to the left and hit cars. You can't do that. That's T with them found a little parking spot, right? Found some parking spots here. So I'm looking, staying middle right, scanning. My speed is not important. I'm at about 10, I'm at about 15. I'm gonna turn on my blinker. This is just for reference for people who are walking. This is reference for people who are driving. Good drivers use blinkers. A lot of these are beginning drivers. They don't park real good. You have to park good. I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna look left. I'm looking for shadows. I'm not gonna swing out really wide. See, they're trying to park over there. I'm not gonna swing out wide. I see a white vehicle coming down there. I'm gonna pretend I'm a student driver. I'm gonna wait, okay? They have the right of way over us. We are the secondary road in the parking lot. Parking lots are the most dangerous. I'm looking, I'm checking, and then I'm gonna make a wide turn. This is wrong. I'm making a wide turn. Then oversteer, don't do that. Don't cut it short. I love it, these people are coming. So I'm gonna stay middle right. I'm letting them walk by. They see a car, they don't have bumpers on their butt. I wanna stay middle right. Just in case someone backs out, I can see left and right. I'm expecting someone to walk out, someone to back out. Maybe the quarterback left their cleats in school. Maybe the girlfriend sees the side piece. I don't know, don't ask me how I know. I'm gonna go up and I'm looking, I'm being extra, but I'm not driving like so scared, like I'm so scared to breathe. There are parking spots here, but you gotta know how to park. Let's do a quick parking tutorial. I'm gonna split the spot in half, real talk. Either I can park or I can't. Okay, I walk it like I talk it. Bam. Is that good? I'm good on both sides? I'm gonna check. Yes, open your door. Good, take a look at the ground. Good?
Yeah.
What you say? So you gotta park like this as a team. If you can't park, your friends will laugh at you. So-and-so can't park. Okay, now I'm in reverse. I got an old school, no backup camera. My eyes are the backup camera. I'm looking in the mirror. I'm gonna die because I can't see cars to the left or right. I'm looking right. I'm looking left. I'm looking right. And now I'm gonna back up small. See me turning the wheel. Whoop, I don't wanna hit this car. I see my man looking out. He think I'm a student right now, right? Okay, I see a little girl coming out. I'm gonna turn hand over hand. That's the most efficient way. I put it in race mode.